Budgeting made simple. Why budgeting matters. A budget is simply a plan for your money. Without it, money slips away unnoticed. With it, you take control and tell your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Think of a budget like a map. If you don't know where your money is going, you'll get lost financially. Key principle: every dollar should have a job, whether it's for spending, saving, investing, or giving. Common myths about budgeting. Budgeting means I can't enjoy life. Wrong. Budgeting helps you enjoy life without guilt because your spending is intentional. I don't earn enough to budget. The less you earn, the more important budgeting is. Without a plan, every cent disappears. Budgeting is too complicated. Modern apps, simple rules, and even pen and paper make budgeting easy. The 50-30-20 Rule, one of the simplest and most effective budgeting methods, is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs: rent, food, utilities, transport, minimum debt payments. 30% wants: dining out, entertainment, shopping, hobbies. 20% savings, investing, emergency fund, retirement, debt repayment beyond the minimum. Example: income, $3,000 per month. Needs equals $1,500. Wants equals $900. Savings, investing equals $600. If your needs are more than 50%, focus on reducing unnecessary wants or finding ways to increase income. Zero-based budgeting. Zero-based budgeting means every dollar is assigned a purpose until nothing is left unplanned. Formula: income, expenses, savings equals zero. Example: income, $2,500, rent, $800, food, $300, transport, $200, debt, $200, entertainment, $150, savings, $500, miscellaneous, $350, total equals $2,500, balance equals $0. Every dollar has a job. This method is great for people who overspend because it forces accountability. Tracking your money budgeting is only effective if you track your spending. Options: apps, Mint, YNAB, you need a budget, Pocket Guard. Spreadsheets, Excel/Google Sheets with categories. Manual, notebook plus receipts. Tip: review your budget weekly, not just monthly. Weekly check-ins keep you on track. Avoiding lifestyle inflation. As income grows, spending often grows with it. This is called lifestyle inflation. Example: you earn a raise of $500 per month. Instead of saving, you upgrade your car payment by $400 per month. Net effect equals no wealth gain. Solution: commit to saving at least 50% of every raise or bonus. Practical budgeting tips. Automate savings so you don't spend it by accident. Use cash for problem categories like groceries or dining out. Review subscriptions every 3 months. Create a fun money category. Guilt-free spending within limits. Write down your monthly income. 2. Categorize last month's expenses into needs, wants, and savings. 3. Compare with the 50-30-20 rule. Are you overspending in wants? 4. Try creating a zero-based budget for next month. 5. Choose a tracking method: app, spreadsheet, or notebook. Quick recap. Budgeting equals control, not restriction. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple starting point. Zero-based budgeting forces accountability. Track spending and avoid lifestyle inflation.